Shopping at the supermarket. Every Saturday morning, I go to the supermarket. I need to buy food for the week. The supermarket is not far from my house. I can walk there in 10 minutes. Before I go shopping, I make a shopping list. I write down all the things I need to buy. This helps me remember everything. I check my refrigerator and cupboards to see what I need. I take my shopping bag with me. It is good to use a reusable bag. It helps the environment. I also take my wallet with money and my shopping list. When I arrive at the supermarket, I get a shopping cart. The shopping carts are near the entrance. Sometimes I use a basket if I only need a few things. First, I go to the fruit and vegetable section. I like to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. Today, I need apples, bananas, carrots, and tomatoes. I put them in plastic bags and then into my cart. Next, I go to the bread section. I buy a loaf of bread for sandwiches. I also get some rolls for breakfast. Then, I walk to the dairy section. I need milk, cheese, and yogurt. I check the expiration dates to make sure the food is fresh. After that, I go to the meat section. I buy chicken for dinner on Sunday. I also get some fish for Monday's dinner. In the middle of the supermarket, there are many aisles with different products. I go to the pasta aisle and get spaghetti. Then I find tomato sauce in the next aisle. I also need some rice, sugar, and coffee. I find these items in different aisles. I check my list to make sure I don't forget anything. Sometimes I buy snacks too. I like cookies and chips. But I try not to buy too many unhealthy foods. When I finish shopping, I go to the checkout. There are several checkout lines. I choose the shortest line. I put all my items on the conveyor belt. The cashier scans each item. She tells me the total price. I pay with my credit card. Sometimes I pay with cash if I don't have my card. After I pay, I put all my shopping in my reusable bag. The bag is heavy now. I thank the cashier and leave the supermarket. On my way home, I think about what I will cook this week. I am happy because I have all the food I need. Shopping at the supermarket is an important part of my weekly routine. It helps me prepare for the week ahead. Do you go shopping at the supermarket too?